Are you looking to buy a house or sell a house? Do you need a mortgage? Does your buyer need a mortgage? Well, go to Executive Realty and Finance. It's a one-stop shop.
Well, our company is called Executive Realty and Finance. And what we do is we do real estate and loans in-house. So we're your one-stop shop. We handle everything in-house. We don't share information with other companies. We'll do your real estate in-house. We'll do your loan in-house. We'll go over all your numbers, tax returns, pay stub. We make sure you qualify before you start looking for a house.
And then you've got real estate agents here as well as mortgage brokers here. Everything is in one place.
We do. Actually, we have the highest trained and experienced loan officers and realtors working for us.
When someone comes to you, they can save time.
Definitely. Instead of you going to a loan officer or to a bank and trying to get pre-approved and let it expire, and then go to a real estate agent that doesn't know, who pre-approved you or what's going on, we do everything in-house. So you come here, we'll get you pre-approved first.
Once you get pre-approved, then you can find a house for them.
Definitely. So what we do first, we'll sit down with you, we'll see how much is your purchasing power, and then based on that, you know how much you qualify for. Then you can start shopping for a property based on what you're approved for.
And this saves time for the consumer.
It saves time and money for the consumer.
Tell me how it saves money.
It saves money because we make more money by doing 2 transactions at once. So what we do, we pass up the savings back to our customers and clients. When you try to purchase a home, there are closing costs involved, such as title fees, escrow fees, prepaid interest, and stuff like that. So those funds are in addition to your down payment. We cover most of those closing costs on your behalf.
You cover those closing costs because you're making money as the mortgage broker and you're making money as the real estate agent.
Correct. That's very true.
Executive Realty and Finance specializes in VA loans.
VA loans are very easy to get and very little paperwork needed.
Executive Realty and Finance specializes in the new renovation loans. Now, with a renovation loan, you can borrow an extra $150,000, maybe even more, to fix up the home you buy.
If you buy a house that needs a lot of work, we'll actually lend you extra money to go ahead and fix up the property. And this is all conventional at a low interest rate.
So you can get more than the actual purchase price, an additional loan for renovations.
Yes, what we look at is, we don't look at your purchase price. We look at what the future value of the property is going to be after your renovation.
Now, are you a home seller who wants to buy another home at the same time you sell your present home? Well, Executive Realty and Finance can help you because they specialize in these complex situations. Now, this can be kind of tricky when you've got someone who wants to sell a house and buy another one at the same time.
We actually specialize in concurrent closing. So what we do, we make sure that your house sells at the right price at the right time with your purchase.
And that means you got to coordinate a lot of things.
There is a lot of coordination behind this because you have to make sure you're selling your property, you have to get a loan to buy a new house. The buyer of your property has to get a loan to buy your house. So there's multiple transactions that we close concurrently. So you need to get someone that knows every detail of all these transactions in order to help you with the successful closing.
And you can do all this.
And we can do all of this.
Because you do mortgages and real estate and you're all computerized.
Because we do everything in-house and everything is streamlined through electronics.
Executive Realty and Finance is all electronic. That means there's less paperwork to process your loan, and they can process your loan faster.
We can help them move the process faster by being all electronic. We're 99% paper-free company, so everything is handled through DocuSign or our system that allows you to sign everything electronically.
So somebody who has a fear of computers, can you help them too?
It's very easy, Alan. It's just a link you click on, it'll walk you through, you put in your social, date of birth, verifies who you are, you just click where you're supposed to click, that's it.
So what if someone has a fear of computers? Can they still do everything like this?
Alan, you don't need a computer, you can do everything on your phone. We just sent you a link, you click on it, and you're done.
And you can do it on your phone too?
You can do it on your phone, tablet, whatever smart devices you have.
And if someone doesn't have that, could they still go and do it the old-fashioned way?
You can come to our office, we'll walk you through it.
Executive Realty and Finance is a one-stop real estate and mortgage boutique. 13701 Riverside Drive, Suite 205, Sherman Oaks. 800-935-6955, extension 111. ExecutiveRF.com.